Okay, this is Mark with aardvarkreloading.com. The dirty batch of primers. We're gonna try to show you how to get these anvils out. All I'm doing is taking this pair of noodle nose and a dental pick, and I'm sticking it straight down in the anvil, and I'm not trying to pry it out, I'm trying to spin it out, kind of clockwise. I'm just sticking it straight down in between one of the holes in the anvil, and I'm just spinning it clockwise. Whoa, that one just flew out. And see what happens. There you go. Not a twist. Pry it works best. What I'm doing here is I'm prying these anvils out and immediately playing hockey with it and separating these anvils into their own corner like in boxing. And the reason is, if you don't, you're going to find yourself de-anviling the same primers, because those hermit crabs tend to crawl right back in their shell. This is Mark with aardvark.reloading.com.